Hello, and welcome to our video series, English Language Learner Parent Guide. In these videos, we hope to give you an overview of the English Language Learner program and answer frequently asked questions. Let's start with the English Language Learner identification. Parents receive and must complete the home language survey. If the home language survey indicates that a language other than English is spoken at home, students could be identified as English learners and will be given the ELPAC state test. What is the ELPAC? The ELPAC is a test that helps schools check how well students understand and use English. It is for students whose first language is not English, from kinder to 12th grade. This test is required by California law. There are two types of ELPAC test. The initial ELPAC is for students who are new to California and students who are new to the country. This helps us identify students needing extra help with English, known as English learners. The summative ELPAC is for students who are already identified as English learners. It is used every year to check a student's progress in learning English. Goal for students. The goal for students is to make progress every year until reaching reclassification. Your school will be sending out information about the ELPAC testing schedule. Make sure to ask when the ELPAC testing will happen to help prepare your child. Thanks for watching. Look for the next video on our series where you will learn about reclassification.